Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Ava Rose coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, December 14th, 2018. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 41 degrees with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in singing our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls lost last night against the Magic with the score of 91-97. Today's announcements are, hope you remembered, today is Zero Waste Lunch. Now a message from Mrs. Rosenblum and Mrs. Ankrum.
Your lunch. Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Mrs. Ankrum and are happy and I to be here on a Friday. Woo-hoo! You know, I always like to start out with the amazing things I've been seeing happening in our building. So first, I saw an entire class of kids shining brighter together yesterday and impressing their guest teacher. They also impressed me. I was working in an office right around the corner and they were lined up waiting to go into the gym. I didn't even know they were out there. I found out that at the end of the day, they had earned 10 golden tickets in one day. So that is my new challenge for every classroom at Hoover today, to see if you can reach or beat the 10 golden ticket challenge for today, Friday. My other examples of students shining brighter together, there was a 3rd grade Math Excel group that did an awesome job on the mashed potato and bakery challenge. They were solving some amazing real world problems to figure out how they could possibly have enough mashed potatoes for that holiday dinner, or if they started their own bakery, what they would need to be able to do that. And then my final group that I want to highlight is a group of 6th grade students who work hard from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock every Tuesday and Thursday to make their writing even better. And what I really noticed, they were writing about the big storm. They were able to create such incredible suspense and drama in their writing. They worked hard the entire time, and they even added amazing transition words that really helped their writing flow better. So congratulations to all of the students that are working hard to shine brighter together. All right, it's Friday, Smenzel winners, woohoo!
Here we go, we have Alexis in 210.
Colin in 112.
Aisha in 112.
Dominic in 112.
Miley in 112.
Chloe in 116.
Jascarat in 119.
Phoenix in 116.
Joey in 115.
Ava in 115.
Addison in 114.
We have a 2-time Smenzel winner, meaning 2 different teachers acknowledged this student. Congratulations to Maya in room 115. And I'm going to give you an example of something that they said about her. They said, Maya, thank you for always being so positive and always trying your best. Great job, Maya.
Awesome. And then Brent in 114.
Is also a 2-time winner. Congratulations to Brent. And what one of the teachers said about him was, thank you so much for all your effort in your math work. Keep up the great work. Congratulations, Brent.
Maddox in 114.
Bella in 114.
Tahir in 109.
Wendy in 209.
Julia in 209.
Alexa in 209.
Abdullah in 107.
Sophia in 201.
Azar in 204.
Arathi in 204.
Caitlin in 101.
Irvi in 101.
Mrs. Jane in 101.
Yay! We're celebrating our teachers, and they're also winners. Mrs. Gebbia in 109.
Mr. P in 109.
And one more student, Oliver in room 108. Congratulations to all of our Smenzel winners. We have a very special Up Up with Hoover performance for you today.
Up, up with
right, Hoover students, let's meet that 10 golden ticket challenge because together we shine brighter.
Thank you, Mrs. Rosenblum and Mrs. Ankrum. Today is Free Shipping Day. Did you know last year from November 19th to December 24th, FedEx handled over 400 million shipped packages? This week's announcements were brought to you by the Zany Zebras. Have a Friday Friday.